I'm going to show you how easy it is to add colors to your entries in Color My Life. I'm going to filter my entries by Altenew, and now it only shows what is manufactured by Altenew. I'm going to choose this item, and I've already entered the colors, but I'm going to undo that to show you how it's done. So to edit an item, you tap the three dots on the far right in the top and choose Edit Details. Now I come down to colors, and you'll see I have colors across the top. I'm just going to delete them so that I can add new colors. I'm just tapping the X's to delete them. Now to add a color, you see this looks like a cloud bubble. You take it and you drag it over your item until you see the color you want. Once you see it, tap Add Color at the bottom, then just move it to the next item. And you keep doing this until you've added all your colors. There. Then this is number 5, number 6, and I'm done adding the colors. Once that's done, tap the left facing arrow at the top left. You're all done with these. You see the colors are here, and at the very bottom of the entry, tap Save, and you're done. When you go back to it and you display it, you can see that all of your colors are entered.